Hello, you have welcome back again. So today now we want to discuss about this three icon, the function of this three icon. So if you click on the three icon, you can see different things. If you want to use images for from gallery, then you can use images for your background. Then you can click on the images here. I don't have any images here. Let me look if I can see one image. So let's assume I want to use this for my design. I can come here to pick it. Let me adjust it a little wide. Then I can come here to use this one for my design. Can you see? Can you see? I can come here to use it. If you want to use another images, you can just use images for your design. Then if I want to use this, let me look for another images. Then just use let me just go to my image search man. Then go to my image search man to download something better. So I just I will teach us how to use. Then you can just go there and background. Background. I can just come here. Let me just pick any background I want. Let me just download this. You can come here and you click your download. It will download automatically. Then let me go back. Then I'll go to use image for my images. Then I can use this and it'll give me the exact background. Let me now change the color of my text to white. Can you see it? So that's about the use image full screen. If you want it to be full screen, then you can use the full screen. So if you don't want it back, you return it. Use image from camera. Let's assume you have a beautiful image you wanted to use. You can use your camera to pick images directly and use images from camera. So I don't have beautiful images here. So let me just go back. Let's assume you wanted to use it. You can just pick it as if you see any building or something that attracted you and wanted to use it for design. You can just use your camera to pick it directly. Export image. If you want to export it, then you can click your export here. Then you go to share or something like that. But we are not doing that. We are not doing that. If you want to contact us, you want to contact the contact Pixellab something for any bug, any problems, so you can contact them. Subscribe to Kevin. Remove ads. So if you want to remove ads for premium app, but I don't think it has premium. I don't think Pixellab has premium. Recover auto save. You have OpenPMP. This OpenPMP I will later teach you later because it's another course entirely that it requires our times about an exit. That's that about the 3 point. And this and the last icon at the last icon it is used to display our workspace So if I click on the last icon, can you see it display the text I have written on my workspace. So it will let you know how many things you have drawn on your workspace. So can we see that this one, let me just copy this and let us see what it will give us. Then if I copy it, let me go back to this icon back. Can you see that we have two things that we have done on our workspace? So we give you how many. It will let you know how many things have you done on your workspace. That is the function, and you can from there you can move. Let me draw. Let me write a shape. Let me draw a shape, or let me pick a shape also for me. Let's assume this is my shape here, and let me change the color of my shape to red. Let me change it to red color. Can you see that my shape has changed to red color? Then if I want to take this, can you see that it has covered my text? Then if I want to move it backward, instead of using my to back here, then I can use another alternative for my icon, from the icon I picked. I can use alternative. I just come to this icon, then I'll come to this align. I'll click on it. I'll click on it, then I will move it downward. Can you see it? Okay, let's stop there. We have finished with our icon, so we can change it. We will stop here, then we move to the Bennett icon.